welcome to the HTMD user event 2023. So we all are here to present you about this, all about the Windows 65 and how the what are the remote management capability Windows 65 offers. So I am Jitesh, Windows 65 MVP, and having more than 6 years of experience in the IT industries, managing all the Windows 10, 11 device management with this Microsoft Intune and the SCCM. So so today agenda will be the basically me and Anoop will be talking about the Windows 65 cloud and what are the things is currently offering and how you can leverage this opportunity. So Anoop, would you like to introduce or just
Oh, I just wanted to say that's not my latest picture. As you can see, I'm a bit more older. So yeah, and no, nothing to introduce over here. But you can see all the Twitter handler and LinkedIn and manage devices, how to manage Twitter handler as well. So you can follow us over there as well. Thank you.
yeah. So let's move forward with the agenda for today's session. So basically, as I mentioned, we will be basically talking about the Windows 65 cloud. So if you are new or if you don't know about the Windows 65, what is it? So you don't need to worry about it. And so basically, I will going to provide some basic insights and all those things. So the cloud PC is nothing but the Windows in the cloud, and the Windows 65 is introduced around 1.5 years ago by the Microsoft. So this is the basically Microsoft providing a next generation computing with the era of the Windows first cloud PC. So this is basically creating a kind of a hybrid personal computing category, which is called as a cloud PC. So with this cloud PC edition, currently it is offering two variants. One is the business and another is the enterprise. So business is the basically for the customer who has not having much more size. Maybe as per the Microsoft, is it considering for the small companies who have around 300 seats or like that. So and this the enterprise edition, which is basically offered for the companies who wanted to explore or just use this opportunity for the unlimited number of users or the unlimited seats. So also the Windows 365 Enterprise Edition has a limitation, like the you should have this Azure subscription, and that is also a optional in the case of that Azure AD scenario, but you can offer it to the unlimited number of the users. So let's check about what exactly the Windows 65 offers and how it can be beneficial for you. So in terms of the management, anyone can be manage it through it based on the portal which it offers. It is in the simple, and it is providing a simple experience in terms of the although work model, where if you want to work as a on-site or if you want to move along with globally, so you can easily move with this compute solution. And coming to the device management, so the device management from the cloud PC, it is helping to roam all those settings to the cloud PC to your physical PC. So this roaming basically include all the settings we used to use in our general scenario, like the desktop wallpaper, all the etc things, and many other technology. So also the Windows 65 is can be leveraged on any of the devices, and you can have this support for the best experience also available for the the predictable prices. So that can be easily leveraged. So the next part moving here. So is it just kind of, if you are curious about what are the skills you may require to adopt this Windows 65, or like how you can proceed with it. So basically you don't need to have any like VDI skills required. That is not a like kind of a prerequisites for it. And in terms of the like for the IT, like it is currently offering many configuration and option. So this is basically meeting all the need, users need or the employee need. So which you can be like easily opted and explore on that part. So in terms of like finally, when it comes to the administration, so it can be managed either from the Microsoft Intune portal, or you can have this self-service portal which is for the Microsoft 365 Business Edition. But the enterprise can edition can be like managed from the Microsoft Intune portal, and you can also leverage this Microsoft 365 Admin Center for the basic administration and for the license management for the business. And okay, so yeah, so basically here we will talking about like what are the remote capability or the remote actions it can offer to you through the Microsoft Intune portal. So currently you can see like here, when you will move to the your cloud PC inside this Microsoft Intune portal, it is currently providing you total 11 available remote management actions. So most of the action you may find similar to your Intune managed devices, which you used during your day-to-day activity. But apart from that, there is like several differences here. So you may find out the new option to restore your cloud PC, and another option is the reprovisioning. So we will be talking about all those scenario when you will move to that portal and the demo part. So the remote, the basically the function of that remote functionality, you might already like know. So it is providing you being an admin to run any of the device action remotely. So you can able to manage the device actions, like you will able to perform the sync, or you can able to restart the device if it is needed in your day-to-day scenario. So everything works together with this Microsoft Intune portal and the device blade. You will get the access of this Microsoft 365 services. Okay. Yeah, so this is the new Windows 65 application which is currently offered through this store for business, as Joy and Anoop already talked about the Wingate scenario. So you can also leverage that option to install the Windows 365 using the methodology, and as well as you can directly jump to the Microsoft store for Windows, and you can like install proceed to install this application. So basically this application is much more helpful in terms of the end user experience. So you will be feel like you will able to control easily and administrator your cloud PC, and also when you will started using this application to take the control, you may find out like this is much more useful, and you can also leverage your cloud PC in the Windows or a like full screen scenario. Okay, so this is the like screen you may see here. This is all about the when you will log into the Windows 65 microsoft.com portal. So being a like end user or the cloud PC user, you may find out this option. So this is one of the screenshot which is on the left hand side. This is for the business edition, and the On the right hand side screenshot, it appear for the enterprise edition. So most of the functionality or the remote action capability from the this Windows 65 portal, you may find out this is the common, you will able to rename the device. You also have this ability to restart it, and you can have this option to troubleshoot this option, and much more. So the next part, I would like to go directly into the demo part. So let me quickly share my screen and jump to the Intune portal. 1 second.
While Jitesh sharing that screen, I just put a chat question. Um, how many of you heard about Windows 365 and how many of you used it? Because we wanted to quickly cover
Yeah,
that also. That's why we Jitesh covered what is Windows 365 and what is the advantages of using Windows 365. Okay, what is the difference between physical device and Windows 365 and what are the advantages for that, etc., etc. So back to you, Jitesh.
yeah, thank you. So when you will navigate to the endpoint .microsoft.com portal, which is now currently, maybe in the future it will be going to change, which should be the intune.microsoft.com. But for now, you can leverage this portal and for this although management. So as soon as you will be log into the Microsoft Endpoint Management Admin Center, you will find out the device blade, and under the device blade, you can either go to the all devices, and you can navigate to the Windows 65 cloud PC, or another option, the separate option, it is providing you under the provisioning. So as soon as you will click on the Windows 65 node, which is available under the provisioning, you will be find out although cloud PC which is currently being managed. So here I am moving to the all cloud PC. So here you can see this two devices currently being managed by us. So one of the devices is both the devices is having the Windows 11 Enterprise, and what are the provisioning policy the device is applied. So I'm not going to provide much more in depth about it, what exactly the provisioning policy does, and etc. So maybe you may find it later, or also you can go through our blog post for the although much more detail. So here you can see as well as the PC type which is currently being used. So here you may find out the how much the CPU and the memory utilization this particular PC is using. So here you can see the first PC is having this 16 gigs of RAM allotted, and the another PC which we had is 8 GB of RAM allotted. So this all can be changed with this remote manage functionality. So let me click on the device. Yeah. So as soon as you will be click on the device in the overview tab, you may find out at the top although remote management capability, what exactly the cloud PC it offers. So it is the sync. With the help of the sync, you can quickly expedite or the speed up the policy syncing, or if any of the update you have triggered through this Intune, so you can quickly proceed with the sync remote function. You can immediately force it. So as soon as you will be clicking on this remote action, you may find out although whatever the action you had performed, it will be going to listed under the device action status. For example, you can see like the device is initiated for the restart, by which date and the what time it is currently showing. And the another is the collect diagnostics. So this is currently being triggered by the on this particular date on the, so all those device information it will be going to replicate here. The next part is the restore functionality, which is the much more helpful. Is it kind of like act as a like you may have used the restore functionality or the reset in your virtual machine or the Hyper-V. So this will be going to act like a shame. So the point of
Yeah,
time, yeah,
Hitesh, do you want to just click on restore or
yeah, yeah,
restart
yeah,
and
yeah.
then show what is happening?
So
We
as
don't
soon,
need to
yeah,
go through everything, but just to show what are the options, etc. Right? So
yeah,
thank you.
sure. Yeah, thank you. So as soon as you will be clicking on this restore option, yeah, you can find out the like whatever the restore point it is already created. You can quickly select that particular restore point, and you can revert it back to that state which was it saved. So basically it is you can have this option leverage if you want to quickly jump out to any other like point of time restore. So while selecting, just you need to keep in mind whatever the data you are currently using, it may going to loss, or like you will be going to revert back to that original state. So before clicking on it, you need to just check on it. And these are the like restore point is getting automatically created, and you may find out the history as soon as you will be clicking on here. So here you can see like all the data has been, it is currently stored here. And the next option, I'm just leveraging this pre-provisioning, and later I am handing over to Anoop, so he will be going to provide insight on the all the rest. So the reprovisioning functionality is basically going to delete all the cloud PC your like state what exactly currently it is going. So what is basically the reprovisioning in the cloud PC? So there is like several instances like when you will proceed on that way, like if you want to reprovision a cloud PC and assigning the same cloud PC to the different person, and if you are going to if you want to use as a like a phrase cloud PC, so you can leverage this particular option for all the functionality. So as soon as you will be I will be clicking on it, let me check, and you will be prompted with this message. So are you sure you want to reprovision this cloud PC? And along with that, you may find out this message like the user will be going to logged off immediately, and whatever the data you have saved in your cloud PC, it will be going to remove. So that you need to keep in mind before clicking on all those remote action activities. So it may be beneficial in several cases, but you may find it like it may create trouble if you are not using it wisely. So next, over to you, Anup. Like so, you can continue with all those rest of the actions and much more. I think you are in mute. Yeah.
Mute. Yeah, I was about to say the same.
Thank you. Okay, so thank you, Jitesh. I will continue where you left. So I'm going to use the same cloud PC, and CPC is the cloud PC naming standard that Microsoft creates automatically, right? So if you are wondering what is that CPC, that is cloud PC. Okay, so um Jitesh talked about sync. Sync, we can easily sync it, and you can see what is the sync. This is similar to the physical sync, physical device sync, or all the other Windows device sync. There's no change in that. This remote action is same as that one, and you can see the sync is initiated. And I think Deepa, you asked where we can check the sync is initiated on the PC or not. Probably we can, as you mentioned in the chat, probably you can download the diagnostic logs from here, collect diagnostics and check that. Otherwise, if you have access to remote event logs of the client device, you can go to the event logs and check whether the sync is initiated or policy is initiated or etc. Okay. Okay. Um, Restart, restore, reprovisioning. I think resize is another option. Resize option. Probably we don't have. I don't have any option like that because we don't have any particular license. But these are the options available over here, right? 8 GB. You want, if you want to change the size of the RAM for this particular user, downgrade or upgrade, that is possible. All right. 32 GB. Now it is 16 GB gigabytes of RAM. Now we can change it to 32, and then we can increase the size of the hard disk if you want, 512 gigabytes if you want. Okay, that is OS storage, and it is not recommended to store anything in the OS as you have seen, because this will get lost when we do reprovisioning, etc. Rather use some shared drives or a OneDrive to store your personal data, right? So that is important to remember. That is the resize remote action, and collect diagnostics is similar to the physical device. There's no magic over there for the cloud PC. So if I click on this, you would be able to see Intune will try to attempt to collect the diagnostics logs from the device, and normally it takes time. So you need to be a bit patient. You need to be waiting. Sometimes it takes hours to get this. So I'm just started the collection of diagnostics data. So that will happen, and after that you would be able to see somewhere here device diagnostics, I think. And if you see over here, you would be able to see what is happening. Pending diagnostics upload. Okay, so that is what happening. And over here also you would be able to see a banner action, banner notification, not action, stating okay, collect diagnostics pending. Okay, and that is there. And I'm not going to cover quick scan and full scan and all, because that is more related to defender and all those things. And the other option is place cloud PC under review. This is a new option where you can select, okay, this is the cloud PC. We want to have some I don't know, review, audit review done. Okay, and analyze what has happened with this PC, how this PC, in case if this PC, cloud PC, got infected with a spam or a spam attack or any other kind of attack, then you can put this PC in the review and check what is happening, etc., etc., right? So all these options are available over here. Okay. So this is also special for cloud PC, only available for cloud PC. And I just wanted to quickly go back over here and just to compare a physical device. And the cloud PC. So you can see over here, if it is a corporate owned device, you have a option to retire, wipe. Those remote actions are not available in the cloud PC scenario, right? Over here, you would be able to see different things: fresh start, autopilot reset, everything. So all those things are not available. Rename device is also not available for cloud PC, and obviously locate device is also not available for cloud PC remote action. So this is only available for the Windows devices. Okay, so this is same for all the other cloud PCs also. So for example, I have taken another cloud PC, and you can see the same options available as the first cloud PC: sync, restart, restore, collect diagnostics, everything, right? So yeah, I think these are the main thing I wanted to quickly cover. Jitesh, do you want to? Are we planning to cover the client side of things, or are we done with our demos?
Yeah, we can quickly show that client end
Okay,
overview.
okay, back to you.
Yeah, thank you. So the next part we would like to show you about that how exactly the end user experience it will looks like in terms of. Let me quickly share my screen. Yeah, hope is it visible?
Yes, it is.
It is.
Okay, thank you. So, yeah, so you need to basically navigate to the windows65.microsoft.com uh, URL to use this cloud, Windows 365 Cloud PC, or you can also leverage the various option where, as we had discussed about this Windows 65 app and the remote desktop option. So as soon as you will be navigate to this URL, it will be ask you to sign in with your credential, corp credential. So you need to provide your credential, and here you can see your the cloud PC which is provisioned with your name. It will be going to appear to you. So in this scenario, you can see this particular cloud PC is currently assigned to me, and the cloud PC will going to provide all the overview what exactly the operating system it is running, and the memory utilization, as well as the how much the storage it has. So as soon as you will be click on this three dot button, you will be have this ability to manage your cloud PC by your own without without much dependent on that admin portal. So user also have some flexibility to the restart your cloud PC, so you can quickly initiate the restart, as well as you can have this option to restore your cloud PC. So the functionality will be act as the same as soon as you will be click on it. I think let me click on that and check it out how is it working. So yeah, so as soon as you will be click on it, you will be asked to select your restore point, which is automatically created at that Intune portal you have seen earlier. So here you need to select your the various the out of this restore point, you may need to select any of the restore point, and you will be good to restore your cloud PC. But the things which the restore will do, it will be going to permanently delete all your saved cloud PC state, and whatever the uh, apps or the customization you have done at the current state, you will be going to lose. So be careful while doing it, perform any action. And the next information, you can see here, you also have this troubleshoot option. So troubleshoot is just kind of will be act as a you will be able to attempt for the basic troubleshooting, in case you having any issue while connecting to your cloud PC, or you may have any trouble during the login process. So you can also do this basic troubleshooting with the same information which you located here. And the another part, as the rename functionality. So as soon as you will be click on the rename, so it will be going to change the name which is showing up here, you are seeing the name of the my cloud PC is currently showing with this name. So you will be able to change this name. So the changing the name will not going to effect or sync to that Intune portal. So the name will be appear as the same, which is currently like signed or demonstrated by the Anoop on that how the cloud PC name is assigning to your cloud PC. So as soon as you will be clicking on the open in browser, you will be getting this prompt to enter your credential, and you also have some flexibility. Also the Windows 65 as already joined have like SSO is currently introduced. So once the SSO is configured, you don't need to go through all this option. You can simply click on the open in browser and you will be directly landed to your cloud PC. So here you can see like in case you are like clicking on open to browser, you will be presented with this all those setting, like you will able to configure or select what are the feature or the things you wanted to select with your while running your cloud PC. Also clicking on the advanced setting, you may find out the like option to select your the keyboard layout. So from this keyboard layout, you will be able to select like which layout you wanted to use during this remote session. So here you can see the by default these languages are already listed here, but I'm like currently proceeding with this none. And as soon as I will click on the connect, I will be prompted to enter my credential, like the what the credential I used during the login to this URL. The same credential I need to provide here to log into the my cloud PC. So I think it will going to take some time to be appear, but let's see.
Yeah, that's fine. Anyways, we know
Yeah.
cloud PC works. So yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so here you can see like I have prompted to sign in to the cloud PC, and just I need to provide my credential over there. So let me put, if I am able to recall it correctly, I'm clicking on sign in. So it will be going to establish all the connection status, as well as I prompted to save my password. So I'm clicking on never. So here you can see I already have like various tasks or the various activity opened in my cloud PC. So it's just redirected to that direction. So let me quickly jump over to desktop. So here is how it looks like when you will be first landed to your cloud PC desktop. You also have like various capabilities, like you can able to hide this toolbar by clicking over it, and you can uh, use in a like full screen methodology. Also, you can see here this is the feedback icon over there, and the next icon is to just to leverage this cloud PC in the full screen. So you can use this option, and you can minimize or maximize your windows by clicking on it. And this is the option to upload the files. So if you want to upload any files to your cloud PC, you can quickly go to the upload button, and you can select any files from your desktop PC, and you will be able to upload directly to your cloud PC. As well as you may find out this setting gear option. So by clicking on it, you will be find some various useful information, like what are the keyboard shortcut it offers to you, like you can quickly jump with the help of this keyboard shortcut, and you can also have the ability to capture the log from your cloud PC, like in case of any issues or
Yeah.
anything you are experiencing, you can quickly click on it, and you will able to capture the log. So I think we are almost done with it. Thank you for reminding. So these are the option like you will be find out inside your cloud PC. So yeah, so I am done with it with although like a scenario. So over to you if you want to add anything.